Now see, what is algebra? Algebra is such a field of maths, or you can say such a part of maths where letters can also be used. Because in the maths we have seen only numbers can be used, but algebra is such a part of maths where letters are allowed to be entered. जहाँ पे letters को entry है. Okay, so instead of what we can say numbers, we can use the letters. जब हमें numbers पता नहीं होते हैं, or else when we have to make the formula, जब हमको किसी पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशंस या एक्सप्रेशंस को जनरलाइज करना होता है. ओके, जनरलाइज मींस व्हाट, पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला में कन्वर्ट करना होता है. दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग लेटर्स. जब भी आप देखोगे तो हमारे सारे फॉर्मूलाज में लेटर्स ही होते हैं, right? And in that letters we are putting the some values and we are getting the answers. That is called as generalization. जब फॉर्मूला वगैरह बनाते हैं, that is generalization, nothing but. Okay, leave it. So algebra is such a field of maths or such a part of maths where letters are been used instead of numbers, or to finding the numbers also we can use the letters. Now in the algebra, first is that terms. In the algebra, what is term? Okay, now we say that letters can be used. So this is my x, then I can write x square, x, y, z, x cube, x square, y cube. Then I can write a, b, c. This is my 1. This is 2x cube. Okay, some numbers, see some letters I have written. If you are able to see some letters I have written, then some combinations of letters I have written with the some powers. Okay, then numbers I have written, then the combination of number and letters I have written. So these comprisingly all called as a terms. What we will call it as a terms. इसमें algebra में इसको क्या कहते हैं? These all are called as terms. And now whenever these terms, now my second part is expression. What is expression? Whenever I am going to equate these terms, जब भी मैं ये sorry, whenever I am going to join these terms by the operation plus or minus, which two operations we will be using mainly? Plus and minus. So whenever these terms I am going to join by plus minus, like see x plus x square, 2x plus y, x square y cube minus 3. Okay, like this combination of terms are there which are joined together by the operations plus or minus. That particular is known as expression. Okay, if you carefully see, I have not mentioned equal sign anywhere. What are you getting my point? I have not mentioned equal sign anywhere. Okay, now my third part, it is equation. What is my third part? My third part is the equation. Okay, now whenever this set of expressions, जब भी मैं किसी expressions को किसी thing के साथ equate करती हूँ, equate means what? Giving equal sign and something is there on the next side. So this is my x square plus y is equal to 0, or x cube plus y cube is equal to x. Okay, whenever these things I am going to do, or whenever this expression I am going to equate, then that particular expressions are converted into equation. तब आपका expression किस में convert हो जाता है? Equation में convert हो जाता है. Means आपके ये जो single things है, they are terms. जब आप टर्म्स को प्लस एंड माइनस से कंबाइन करते हो तो वो बन जाते हैं एक्सप्रेशन. और जब इस एक्सप्रेशंस को आप इक्वल साइन से इक्वेट करते हो किसी दूसरी चीज के साथ, नाउ सी आई एम कंपेयरिंग दिस टू और आई एम इक्वेटिंग दिस टू. कंपेयरिंग में लेस देन ग्रेटर देन भी आता है, बट इक्वेशन में नहीं आता है. इक्वेशन इज हैविंग ओनली इक्वल साइन. ठीक है, व्हेनेवर आई अनाउंस दिस इज माय 2x plus x square plus x cube which is equal to z square plus a, b, c. This is also my equation. Why? Because these two expressions are joined together by equal, or they are equating. समझ में आ रही है बात? Whenever your expression is consisting of equal sign and other sign is also present. If I write 2x plus y is equal to, if I don't write anything in there, there is no meaning to this equal sign. Okay, so there is always something should be there on the next side also. So these are the set of are called as equation. Terms, expressions, and then equation. Now my next part is how we can add and subtract Okay, whenever I am writing, for example, 2x plus 3x plus y cube plus z. Okay, now this is my expression, because on the equal side I have not written anything. This is my expression. Okay, I can minimize also this expression. Why or how? Now this is x, this is x. The variables are same, right? So I can add them. Now 2x plus 3x will become 5x. Now y plus y cube. Now, though the variable is same, but carefully see the power of y is 1. Here power of y is 3. So whenever the powers of variables are not same, then you cannot add them. So you have to like it as it is only. And this z is the different from anyone. So this expression, you can write it in the form of this also. So this expression will become 5x plus y cube plus z. So always remember, for addition or subtracting, for me addition or subtraction, you always needs. Now in this expression, how many terms are there? This is one term, this is two, this is three, this is four. Total 4 terms are there. In this above expressions also, how many terms are there? 4 only. How? Because this is nothing but a one term, 2x plus 3x. क्योंकि ultimately उसका 5x ही बनेगा, तो वो एक ही term consider होगी. This y cube and z. Getting how to do the addition of when the variables are there. If my it is y cube, y square, y raised to 4, y cube. Okay, how? Y cube will be 2y cube plus y square will be as it is, y raised to 4 will also be as it is. Getting my point? Why it is as it is? Because here, if you see here, the powers of this variable and this variables are different. So you cannot add such variables where powers are different. Different variables also you cannot add, and the variables, though the variables are same, but different powers, the variables with the different powers also you cannot add and subtract. So this is how is the basic introduction of a algebra or algebraic equation.